Have you ever bought something from one of those weird trinket stores online, or maybe started following a person because you liked the stuff that they were putting on their social media platform, something like that? Or maybe you wanted to learn something online and you found someone who taught about that topic. Well, that's probably what brought you to this channel, and in today's video, we're gonna talk all about how you can take your hobbies, your skill sets that you have, or any passion that you might have, maybe it's just the thing that you like, and turn it into a business online and build a brand around it. So stay tuned. I'm really excited to bring you guys this one in this video. All right, welcome back everybody, and thank you for joining me. My name is Jordan Steen, also known as Serial Entrepreneur, and at this channel, we talk all about starting a personal brand, building a marketing agency, really just starting any kind of online business. And so if you're interested in those three topics, then you're gonna wanna make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell in the bottom right-hand corner so you get updated with all of our future content, our free giveaways, our free training that we do every single week here at my channel. Have you ever thought that you could actually take that passion or that skill set? Maybe you're a past attorney and you're retired, or maybe you used to be a real estate agent, right? Did you ever think that you could take that skill set or that hobby and turn it into an online brand that easily could generate $10,000 plus per month in profit? Well, I'm living testament, along with a bunch of the other influencers that I work with over on my content and my trainings, because we've realized that you don't have to go and work the 9 to 5 any longer. There are too many opportunities out there for people to take these passions, their skill set, and turn it into a business online. I mean, think about it. Who wouldn't want to do the work that they actually like doing, where it doesn't really feel like work, versus going to work for someone else and making your boss all the money while you're really doing something that you don't truly enjoy 100% while making, decent income? So in this video, we're gonna go ahead and jump into how to find your passion or whatever that skill set may be, and then how to take it and turn it into a business. Oh, and maybe you don't wanna start a personal brand by the time you're done with this video, but that's okay. Check out this video that we also put together in the top right-hand corner on the hottest new ideas, or the hottest ideas for businesses in 2019. These are all businesses that I've either tried or have had partnerships with other influencers that are doing the exact same thing. So check those out if you find that, building the personal brand really isn't the route for you. According to the famous Maya Angelou, the true accomplishment in life is to love what you do. The issue is too many people make career decisions based on profit or opportunity, or really just something that they have to do maybe to be comfortable in life. And the worst one of them all is people probably get put into that job just based on convenience. And that's the worst type of mentality to have about a job, because wouldn't you much rather do something you love and understand that you stand the chance to make a really good income no matter what it is out there, because there is literally an audience for just about everything you want to talk about these days. Now, if you want to talk about VCR repair, I've used this as an example before. That might be a stretch. Get with at least the DVD player, but you're getting what I'm saying. If it's relevant to today's world, it's a thing that you can make into a topic and into a brand. So there are 6 main things that you're going to want to take care of when getting your personal brand, or when trying to figure out what it is that you're gonna want to do. So pay attention, we're gonna go through those really quickly. All right, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is determine what makes you unique. And not just, your knowledge around a specific product or service, because that is important, but also you in general. If you're building the brand around you as a person, then you have to figure out, what is it that makes you different? People usually tend to like my channel and stick with it long term because of the fact that we're a little goofy. We like to have fun, and we just give straight information. We don't try to fluff it out, and people know us for that, right? So figure out what makes you you. What's gonna make you stand apart from all of the other competitors that are out there? Because believe it or not, even in a new industry, there's probably gonna be some form of competitor. For example, when I first hopped into creating, marketing agency content, I wasn't the first one to do it. There was a lot of other really big competitors already out there that owned the space, right? I kind of built myself into that niche with a different type of strategy. So really understand who your audience is and what makes you different from every other competitor out there. The second thing you're gonna wanna know, it's really a tip and it's super important. Don't quit your day job, okay? I'm not telling you to quit your day jobs just yet. What I did when I first started my brand was work a full-time job and then come do this pretty much all of the time every day for like 6 months when I first started doing this brand. I was putting everything I had into it. And I'm not saying that you have to do what I did and go kamikaze, just I'm gonna get it all done now. But what I am saying is you do need to have a plan, and you do need to actually commit to the process without quitting your full-time job, all right? Unless you have the income, and that makes sense, don't quit your full-time job, okay? You need that revenue, that income, that support. The third thing is to seek professional guidance. Guys, I can't tell, like, perfect example, I'm not an accountant. I do not like taxes. I hated accounting when I was in business school. I made B's barely in business school, and actually in one of the classes I made a C. I hate accounting. It does not make sense, right? So I hired an accountant to do that for me, to give me advice on what I should do, and I call him every single time I need help with something before I make a decision. Guys, professional advice is what's going to keep you from messing up, from having all of those down periods, right? If you want to keep climbing and going up and up and up with your business, you have to hire professionals to get you past all of those hurdles that you're going to have to overcome yourself if you don't seek guidance beforehand. Another perfect example of this would be if you want to start a brand and you don't know how to start a YouTube channel. I'm telling you right now, don't just go out and pioneer it. It's already been pioneered. Don't waste that time. Get straight to the point and get going. So the fastest way you can do that is find someone, find a YouTuber who's doing well, and that teaches people how to build YouTube channels, and then start replicating what they're teaching you to do. Hint, hint. We have a marketing agency and personal branding course. Links in the description below. Oh, and if you want to see why our course is ranked one of the best marketing courses in the world, check it out in the top right-hand corner. The fourth thing is to develop a plan. Not just a business plan, but also a marketing plan, a content plan, a pricing plan, or really a revenue plan, right? Not a pricing plan, a revenue plan. So that way you can understand how you can actually take the business from infancy all the way to full-grown business, generating revenue that you're comfortable with and happy with. I'll tell you guys right now, because I personally struggle with planning and organization. I'm getting much better at planning. As far as organizing, still in the works. But the planning aspect has made a huge difference in my life. I plan just about everything now. So I actually set time aside for planning. That way, when I get the plan created, it's much easier to execute and we can get everything done that we need done. Without the plan, you're just kind of going off of what's in your head, right? And you're trying to put it all into existence. Much more difficult to get it completed that way. So if you're not a planner and you want to take this business seriously, definitely start looking into planning. I recommend looking at things like time blocking strategies, list building, maybe getting a daily planner, but something to help start tracking what you're doing every single week, every single month of every single year. Number 5 is going to be spreading the word. Now, the first thing I recommend, obviously, is to get the support of your friends and family. And don't invite the friends and family, like for example, if you go and create a Facebook page, don't invite the friends and family who are gonna sit there and make fun of it and not support you. You want the people who are actually gonna support and help share your content and share your message and what you're trying to accomplish. The next piece of advice going in with spreading the word is really just making sure that you take the necessary steps to get your Facebook profile set up, an Instagram, a website if it, makes sense, a YouTube channel if that makes sense, so that way you can start spreading the word to people via social media. This is how we communicate. This is how we build businesses. And again, if you're looking for any information on that, you need to go to SerialEntrepreneur.academy and check out any of the courses there. All of it's about digital marketing and how to use those platforms to leverage your audience into buying a product or a service. So quick question, if you have an online brand or you're working on building your own brand, what platform are you using to spread the word? Are you using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube? What platform have you decided to go with as your primary platform of operation? Make sure to throw that in the comments below, as well as giving us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far. The sixth and final thing is to listen to all feedback and take any criticism given to your business, even if you completely disagree. You can shake it off when it first comes in if it's just a completely negative review, but understand that that's that person's opinion, okay? And that's okay. You're gonna get people who don't always agree with you, but you need to take what they say and not instantly dismiss it, but use it as a tool to make your business and your brand better. Now, this is literally one of the hardest things for any human being to do, because nobody likes to be told that they did wrong or that they didn't do it right or that it was a bad job. But that's going to help you grow. No matter whether it's completely off base or not, just take everything at least into consideration and then do what you will with it after that. So guys, anyone can build a career out of any brand, any skill set, any passion. All you have to do is find what it is about you that makes you really unique, that makes you really fun, and that people want to learn about or people want to engage with. And once you find that topic, all you have to do from there is put it online and start creating content that you know the audiences that you're promoting it to couldn't live without. So since you stayed to the end, make sure to check out this video in the top right-hand corner of the hottest business ideas in 2019. If personal branding just isn't for you and you don't really feel like that's the route you want to go to success, that's fine. There's tons of opportunity out here in the online business space. So check out that video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for all of our future content, and I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, Serial Entrepreneur out. Now, according to the famous Maya Angelou, oh crap, I completely forgot which quote I was going with. Let's do that again. Maya Angelou, my bad. All right. What?
Ready to start living the six-figure work wherever, be your own boss lifestyle? Well, at Serial Entrepreneur Academy, we'll teach you how to use a laptop and internet to start your own social media and digital marketing agency. Get started with our free Facebook ads training. Links in the description below, guys. See you in the course. Serial Entrepreneur out.